Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Fashionably Grateful and we're going in Walmart today. I want to do a walkthrough and see what's the latest, check out clearance, see if we can find anything that's affordable and do some affordable shopping here. Before we get to winter, let's go ahead and see if they have some fall finds on clearance, y'all. Okay, let's go. And this is extra large. No, that is a size 6. They playing games with these hangers being the wrong size. But what is this? Sophia dress? I bet you that's cute. I bet you that's real cute. Sophia actually got some clothes up in here. Now this is the same dress in black, and then there's one in brown. Did it match my boots? No. Ooh, they way off. That's cute though. Do we got enough Sophia to try on? Y'all know I like to keep things together as far as the brands, trying them on with each other instead of trying on different, you know, types of brands and stuff. This scuba material though from Scoop is always amazing. I got one outfit like this, and it's because I got it for $5. If you keep waiting around, you can catch this on sale for like $5. I promise you. Dress on though first. Now that's on period, but yeah, I'm happy. Now I feel like I need to check everything just to double check to make sure, because I love it when I got a little bit of a savings. Okay, no, this is $20. I'm not paying $20 for no sweatsuit, sweats, pants, none of that. I don't care what you think you got going on. I'm not paying that much for that. I want to try this dress on in black too, because the black might be better. And let's see. Now these dresses, these kimono dresses was okay. I tried them on. I wasn't too inspired by them. But it's also $11. Now it's saying out of stock online. Let me go check. Yeah, I guess it is. Oh wait, triple XL is not. So if you wear a triple XL, can you buy it online? Shipping arrives, yeah. Add to cart, but it went up to $19.20. That's what I don't like. So it's not $11. Sold online by Walmart for $19.20. No. Y'all get your butt up and come to this store. I'm in Valrico, Florida. I couldn't tell you how I got here. My GPS took me here. But yes, Valrico, Florida. But if you buy these dresses in the store, they're $11 and $7. Okay. Let me see if I luck out on a pair of cheap jeans. Oh wait. These are $13. Are they? Or are they even cheaper? 13. They're 13. But the problem with the jeans is that I can't find a pair of jeans that fit. So it's definitely some Sophia dresses that I've been wanting to try. Here is one that I have been looking at for a long time, but I could never ever find it. I don't know how much this dress is. Let me see if I can find that out real quick by grabbing my handy dandy phone. They got swimsuits right there. That's cute. Let's see. Go to Walmart. I want to know if this dress is on sale, because this dress looks good on every model. It should look good on me too. It's $32 on the ticket, but I don't mean that's what it is. Child, this dress is saying $11. So hold on. Is it really $11? Because I want this dress if it is. Y'all see what I'm saying? If you just wait a little bit, they come down. Now it might be a little weird how you oh, it really is $11 online. I'm getting that dress. I wonder how much this one is. Hold on. It says 22. This one says 11. This one says 22, but it's saying $7, but it's saying out of stock online. Let me go to the register and see how much it rings up for. just real quick. I'm curious. Oh, there's a line. Shoot. Is something wrong with that register?
No.
Oh, I don't need it. I just want to check and see how much this is coming up to. All right, let me see. It says $7 for this dress. I'm about to try this on, and I'm about to try this on for $11 for real. You can have, let me, oh, I gotta get somebody to, I don't want this, hey. I just wanted to see was it really $11 and $7, but he can have that one, sorry. But if you could erase that, thank you, sorry. All right, y'all. I be so glad when I come play, oh. I done got that excited because I found some real good deals. Y'all, now I gotta look. Now I got to look, and this is what happened. I got on the wrong shoes to tackle this, but I gotta do it because I'm like excited. Sophia, what is you doing? Why is your clothes so cheap, child? But keep doing it. Do it again, because I need them. I need them to be this cheap. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy about that. Now, I would love to buy it online because I get a discount if I buy it online through my link. But if you must. Okay, so this dress is by Sophia Vergara. Sophia Jeans, something like that. This one is cute. So let me tell you what it is, because I also got it in brown. So I only see a 3 XXL online, and that is on sale for $15. But if you come into the store in Valrico, Florida, it's $7, and they have every size. Okay, this one is called the halter midi dress. It's ruched up a little bit on the sides, so it gives you a little tighter feel in this area. It does have a split on the side as well. I don't know how much of that you can see, but it says $22. But make sure you always hit up the tag, because the tag will tell you what the real deal is. And when I went to the register, you saw me do it. It actually is $7. So this is not a $22 dress, but tomorrow it can be. So you know how that is. But I'm gonna check this one out too, real quick, just to make sure, because colors do make a difference. I don't know why, it just does. So let's check this one out also. Okay, so for time's sake, I did not button up the back, because with these nails, it's just so hard to button stuff up and get it off. I'm not trying to be in here all hot and sweating just from trying to do that. I think that normally I do not buy same dress, different color, right? However, I'm gonna make an exception this time because these dresses are $7. Now the feel of it is a little bit stretchy. It's like that, I don't know, is it rayon or linen? It's kind of like linen fabric, but it stretches, so they got elastic in it somehow. This is really, really adorable, I think. I like both. I like the black one better, but I figured this one I can dress down while the black one I can dress up. Okay, so we can go blazer with the black. We can go jean jacket with this one. You know what I mean? So it's definitely going to be 2 different dresses, period. Even though it's the same dress, different color, I'm going to make it 2 different dresses. So, and then it's an all-halter dress. You can always use that in your wardrobe. So I also think that it's a pretty good fabric. I don't see it shrinking or none of that. So that's why I mess with this one, and I'm gonna do both of them. Okay, make sure you get one too. If you hit it in the link, like I said, it's gonna be $15.90, something like that. But if you go to the store, you're gonna save half of that. Okay, initially this dress was higher than that. I don't remember what the price was initially, and I don't think that they tell it on the ticket. I mean, it says 22, but that's a sticker that they added on top. This dress was higher than $22, so let's just say that. So I'm getting it for $7. You can too if you go to the store, but all stores are not made the same. Why, I do not know, but $7 here. I will show you at the end. If you need to show a video to Walmart, I bet you they'll probably match it. But yes, I'm getting both, period, because I can do a lot with both of these dresses being so basic. All right, so let's go to the next this one. Okay, so on this one, super thin, okay? Y'all, this dress is $11. I am going to probably get it. I would not get it because it's really, really basic. But then again, when you look at the dress, it's not basic, okay? It has the wrap neck, kind of. The skirt, or the bodice part goes in. The skirt goes into, it's like a mermaid skirt. Because at the bottom, I don't know if you see that ruffle effect. And it kicks out a little bit. Dang, they be loud. But what sells me is that keyhole. I love that. That is so cute. It shows every rash on my back, but it's still really, really cute. I love the way this looks. If it wasn't for those specific tiny details, I probably wouldn't spend $11 on it. But it's cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it. So we had 11 plus 7 plus 7, so 11 plus 14. So we had $25. That's not bad for 3 dresses, right? Kind of out of season, but we in Florida, so we can do that. But yes, I like all 3 of these dresses. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch them all up. Now, do y'all need me to go through the register and pay for it and show the card and everything? Because I know somebody complained that I didn't have nothing in my basket one time, like they was on to me not shopping or something. But I don't always shop, neither does everyone else. But I don't lie and say, oh, my stuff is in the car. I just don't do it. But I'm just showing you what's out here. However, today, we shopping. All right, y'all, follow me to the register.